Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Omegle back on your phone. No jailbreak or computer needed. This is known as the Omegle Unblocked, guys, and it actually works. So this is super insane. As you guys can see right there, I do have it somewhere. I don't know where it is. There it is, Omegle Plus Plus. As you guys can see, if I just lower the brightness, unfortunately my phone doesn't really work. But as you guys can see right there, that is the Omegle Plus Plus. And when you open it up, guys, you can actually go ahead and start using Omegle like it was never banned. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it, so keep watching. Guys, so I'm going to show you exactly to get Omegle back on your phone. So as you can see right here, I can actually go ahead and use Omegle, and it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it right now. It is super insane. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it, so let's get right into the video. But as you can see, guys, it actually does work, so yeah, it's super cool. I don't want to put on the camera right now, but I'm going to show you guys how to download it right away. So basically, guys, if you are interested in maybe getting Omegle, what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to Google, and we're going to go over to the search bar and just type in Zoo Mods. So let me just type it in right here. So Zoo Mods. So anyways, guys, now we're gonna go over to this website right here, and once you're on this site, guys, we're just gonna go to the search bar and type in Omegle, and as you can see, guys, it says Omegle Unblocked. So basically, guys, just download this and you're gonna be all set. So it is super insane. What the heck, bro? I hate using PC Omegle. I want it on my phone, so this is super cool for me. I really had a lot of fun with it, and I'll prove it to you. If we go to the App Store here, as you can see, guys, there is no Omegle, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So as you can see, guys, if we type in Omegle, what the heck? Where's Omegle? They don't have it, guys. So you need to try this video if you want to get Omegle. They do not have it on the App Store. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method if it actually works, because it is super insane, and I've had zero problems with it whatsoever, guys. So yeah, it's super crazy, and I love it. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.